Are you a Google Fiber TV subscriber looking to enjoy your favorite shows and channels while you're on the move? With the Watch TV Everywhere (WTVE) service, you can stream live TV and on-demand content right from your mobile device, tablet, or laptop. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to access Google Fiber TV content anytime, anywhere. Step 1. Ensure your Google Fiber TV subscription is active. Before you can start watching live TV on the go, make sure you're subscribed to Google Fiber TV. If you don't already have an active subscription, visit the official Google Fiber website to sign up for the service. Step 2. Download the Google Fiber app. To watch Google Fiber TV on your mobile device, download the official Google Fiber app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Open the App Store, Google Play Store on your device. Search for Google Fiber in the search bar. Tap Install to download the app to your device. Once installed, open the app. Step 3. Log in to your Google Fiber account. Open the Google Fiber app and log in using the credentials linked to your Google Fiber account. If prompted, enter your username and password, or link your account using the Google Sign-in option for faster access. Step 4. Set up TV Everywhere. Access in the app, navigate to the Watch TV Everywhere section. You'll be prompted to activate your Google Fiber TV subscription. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your account with WTVE. If required, enter your service provider information, Google Fiber, and you'll gain access to hundreds of channels and live TV streams. Step 5. Browse available channels and content. Once activated, you'll be able to browse the live TV listings and on-demand content available through your Google Fiber TV subscription. You can watch major networks, cable channels, and even premium content depending on your plan. Step 6. Start streaming. Find the channel or program you want to watch. Select it, and it will start streaming live on your device. You can pause, rewind, or fast-forward content based on your preferences, depending on the app's features. Step 7. Use Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can stream your favorite shows while connected to a Wi-Fi network or use your mobile data to watch on the go. Just ensure you have a stable internet connection for the best viewing experience. Step 8. Watch TV. Anytime, anywhere. Now that you're all set up, you can enjoy Google Fiber TV content wherever you go. Whether you're on a commute, traveling, or relaxing at the park, you can watch live TV and on-demand content directly from your mobile device. With Watch TV Everywhere, Google Fiber TV subscribers have the flexibility to stream live TV wherever they are, making it easier than ever to stay connected to your favorite shows. Enjoy watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tips and tutorials.